Hi friends, this is Dr. Krupa Savda and our today's topic of discussion is sexual perversion part 2. The link of part 1 is given in the description box. If you want more links of my playlist, you can again visit the description box, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and sharing. So contents of today's presentation will be transvestism, proteurism, masturbation, uranism and urolagnia. So first we will see transvestism, which is also called as eonism. So let us check out the definition first. It is a disorder characterized by recurrent, intense, sexually arousing fantasies, sexual urges or behaviors involving cross-dressing. So here the word involving cross-dressing is very important. They might be recurrent, intense, sexually arousing fantasies, sexual urges or behaviors. Sexual gratification is obtained by wearing the dress of the opposite sex. As we have already mentioned, involving cross dressing, here sexual gratification or excitement is obtained by wearing the dress of the opposite sex. In contrast, one contrast is given: transsexual wear clothes of other sex because they feel a part of other sex and not for sexual excitement. So the transsexual wear clothes of other sex, they are not for sexual excitement, but as they feel a part of other sex. It is usually seen in males. So transvestism is usually seen in males, and they collect items with a distinctly feminine look, feel like nightgowns, slips, bras, lingeries, stockings, and pantyhose. They may dress in this feminine garment and take photographs of themselves while living out their secret fantasies. So it's a dress all the garments, feminine garments, and take the photograph. Magnus Richfield coined the term transvestism. It is a Latin term. Trans means across or over, and vestis means dress, to refer the sexual interest in cross dressing or opposite sex dressing. The term has undergone several meaning changes since it was first coined. Richfield's group of transvestites consisted of both males and female. So Richfield's group, Magnus Richfield's group, who has coined this subject of transvestites, consists of both males and female. Though we have seen that it is common in male. The term eonism is derived from the Frenchman, a very important word, that is Chevalier d'Eon Beaumont, right? Beaumont, Chevalier d'Eon de Beaumont, who practiced this perversion. Let us see the next, that is frotteurism or toucheurism. Definition: it is the act of obtaining sexual arousal or gratification by rubbing one's genitals against a non-consenting person in public. It is usually seen in males, and frotteurism occurs in crowded trains, buses, elevators, and bicycle stands. So these are the most frequent places where frotteurism occurs. This is an act obtaining sexual arousal or gratification by rubbing one's genital against a non-consenting person in public place. It is prevalent in Japan, known as chicken, and regarded as a public safety problem. So toucherism or frotteurism is common in Japan. Fondling the victim may be a part of the condition and is called as toucherism, right? Legal aspects, if we'll see, this is an offense and punishable under section 290 IPC and 291 IPC, and there will be an imprisonment for term. Masturbation. Let us see definition. Masturbation is a deliberate self-stimulation which results in sexual arousal. It is also common in both men and women. In males, methods are primarily manual by moving the penis with a hand or against a bed or other object. So in males, it is very common. It is common in both males and females, but in males, the primarily method is by moving the penis with a hand or against a bed or other object. Anal stimulation and insertions are rare. Hollow articles like bottles, test tubes, or articles made of rubber and plastics are sometimes used by males. In females, a finger or a hand is gently and rhythmically moved over the clitoris or labia minora. So this is how female do it, and the genitalia may be rubbed against a pillow, bed, or some other object. She may insert fingers, wooden rods, test tubes, bananas, or artificial phallus made of rubber or plastic into the vagina. Again, it is a self stimulation by female. It is an offense when practiced openly, for example, in telephone booths, buses, or public toilets. Uranism. The pervert get sexual gratification by fingering, fondling, or licking. That is called as homosexuality in males, and they are called uranists. So uranism is very simple. The pervert gets sexual gratification by fingering, fondling, and licking. Urolagnia or urophilia. The pervert gets sexual gratification by sight or odor of urine and by urination. This is something unique or different, rather, we can say. By sight or odor of urine and urination, there will be a sexual gratification in this kind of pervert. Those who enjoy urolagnia may enjoy urinating on another person or being urinated upon. They're called golden showers. In New Zealand, publishing anything promoting or supporting urolagnia, whether in print or online, is punished with imprisonment for up to 10 years. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel, click bell icon, and share this video amongst your friends. Thank you.